Hey, what is up everyone? This is Jake Pimentel here from Pime Technology. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm here with an unboxing and first look at the Motorola Edge Plus 2023, which are ordered from Dish Wireless or Project Genesis to check out their new network. Taking a look at the front of the box, we can see we have a Motorola logo in the middle there with the notorious M. And then we also have Edge Plus at the bottom to signify the model of the phone. And then we also have the 2023 badge, as this is a 2023 model. The top of the box is empty, and on one side of the box we can see we got the Motorola logo with the Motorola name there, as well as you can see some tape from the factory showing that it is sealed. And on the other side it says plastic-free packaging, which I can really appreciate that Motorola is moving away from plastic in their packaging. I bought my Moto Edge Plus 2023 from Project Genesis or Dish Wireless, so it comes with the little activation card there, which goes in depth about how to activate the phone. Alright, so now let's go ahead and pull the top cover of the box off. As you can see, we are first presented with the Moto Edge Plus 2023 itself. It is in this little sleeve to keep it protected during shipping. First impressions, the phone feels really light. I believe this phone is 203 grams, so pretty light, especially for the size of the phone. And it feels really, really light as a result. So here it is in its protective sleeve. We'll go ahead and pull that off so we can go ahead and take a look at the phone. So pulling the phone out of the sleeve there, you can see we've got the black model. I believe they call it Interstellar Black, and it looks really, really nice. I love the little sparkle or sprinkle texture that there is on the back there. It looks really nice and feels really nice. The phone does feel a bit slippery, but it does have a Gorilla Glass Victus on both the front and the back of the phone, so pretty strong glass. But I definitely would get a case for this phone, as it does feel quite slippery overall. Taking a look at the top of the phone from left to right, as you can see towards the left we have a microphone for phone calls, as well as a cellular antenna band, and then we also have a speaker towards the right. This is a stereo speaker phone, which is not something that you see very often. And then we also have another cellular antenna next to the speaker. On the right side of the phone, we have a cellular antenna band there at the top. In the middle, we have a volume up and down button, as well as a power button, which can be customized with Google Assistant. Below the power button, we have another microphone. And then below the microphone, we have another cellular antenna band. On the bottom of the device, we have the speaker at the bottom. Like I said, this is a stereo speaker device. We've got the speaker at the bottom, speaker at the top. In the middle, we've got two cellular antenna bands, as well as the USB-C port for charging. We've got another microphone, so that's 3 microphones I've counted so far. And then finally, we have a SIM card slot. Yes, this still does have a SIM card slot, as well as eSIM. And the left side of the device is completely empty, besides 2 cellular antenna bands. And last but certainly not least, we've got the 3 camera lens on the back, including the flash. In the middle of the phone, we've got the Motorola logo, as well as that nice little sparkle finish. Alright, now let's go ahead and put the phone to the side and go and take a look at what else is in the box. So first we have the Project Genesis SIM card. I like the cool little logo they have on the back of their SIM card here. This SIM card is a physical SIM card, and it's used to connect to the AT&T network for calling, texting, and roaming data. So this is the SIM card that you will use when you're outside of the Dish network for data, and it will be used all the time, no matter where you are in the Dish network or the AT&T network, for calls and texts, as the Dish network does not support voice over NR or voice over 5G just yet. So this is supplemented with the eSIM to allow for calling and texting over the AT&T network. And taking a look at what else is in the box, we have a little carton that the phone was sitting in. We also have a Motorola logo with a logo saying that this is plastic-free packaging, and it is recyclable and it uses soy ink, so that's really neat. Again, I love Motorola's attention to the environment. And then we also have below that the important parts, the charger. This is a 68 watt charger with USB-C to USB-C cable. So this is going to charge the phone very, very quickly. You are not going to have any problems getting at least 50% charge within 30 minutes of plugging this phone into the wall with this charger. So it's great to see that Motorola is including the power brick in the box, as a lot of manufacturers, Apple and Samsung, have stopped including the power brick that plugs into the wall with the phone, which makes it much more difficult for customers as they need to go out of their way to go ahead and purchase that product separately. Overall, my first impressions of the phone are very positive. I love how light this phone feels. Even though it is a big phone and it has a big display on it, it feels super light. It also has the Snapdragon Gen 2 processor, so it's going to be super fast. It's got the X70 modem, so it's going to be super quick and super good on cellular networks. So I'm very excited to test this out on Dish's 5G network and compare it to the other three major carriers, which are AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon here in the US. If you're interested in those videos, be sure to subscribe now, as I'll be having many videos about Dish's 5G network on this phone shortly. That's going to be a wrap for this unboxing of the Motorola Edge Plus 2023. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like up down below. Also, be sure to comment down below if you'd consider purchasing a Motorola device. Not a very popular brand, but I'm wondering what you guys think. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel, as I will have more content coming up on Dish's 5G network, and I'll be comparing it to Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, so be sure to stay tuned for that.